back on, so we'll see what happens.
We'll be watching it on your phone.
I am.
Okay. So if you're just joining us, this is now part 2 of, oh my, the internet kicked us off.
Yep.
We don't even have any crazy storms here.
Nope.
That would have kicked us off. Right? Yes, babe?
Yep. Hi, gal. So she back. Yeah, it looks like it froze for some reason. So I just finished that last part and did a part 2. So we're back on.
He just said, I'll just restart it. So I'm just going around. This is what Steve wanted it to do. So we're just adding these little sprigs of white around the very tail end of some of the pine. So I'm just coming in, dipping and sticking them all.
Sorry, gals. Yeah, whatever happened, it just froze.
Facebook's up to something because, again, things are just not in the same places they used to be. Like, we don't have an about section on our Facebook page anymore.
Yep.
We have an info page, which is, what the heck? Maybe people didn't know what about was about. They must have thought, oh, I was looking for info. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up and then add a couple, maybe a couple balls.
Hi, gals. Yep, we're back.
So we're just, all I've done in the time span that we've been incognito, relaunching, getting back on, is I just went around and added some fern to the outside pieces here. I don't think I'm going to add any more to the inside other than what's there.
I think you just need to attach your sign, huh?
Yeah, well, that's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, let me make sure. As I'm like, yeah, that's my sign. I'm just seeing what it was. It's just a branch, like one of the evergreen branches.
Yeah, we can trim it off.
No, like the evergreen branch is pointing down, so I just pushed it back up. Look. No, hold on a second. Might want to add some berries to this guy. Okay, because I had the 2 sets of berries left.
Mm-hmm.
So I might want to just find a way to incorporate them, or I might not. I might take them out. You guys tell me, berries, no berries. Those were the berries that came on that pic, so they're all like frosted berries. Should we leave the berries in or take the berries out? What do you think?
Pull it up just a little bit higher. What do you guys think? You like the berries underneath the owl?
Or should I take the berries out?
I would probably say out.
Okay.
But we'll let the gals decide.
I'm just sitting here.
Carol said out.
Out. That's usually my first indicator. Like, see? Then they go out. Okay, and then we'll put his sign in.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm just gonna go around his thing. Spin him around to where he needs to go. Hoping that it'll come out pretty quick.
Yeah, Martha said out.
I know.
A couple
I was
gals
like,
are still joining on. Sorry we had a pause, gals.
oh, there it goes. Trying to loop it around.
Hi, Linda.
The
Thanks for
branch.
joining back, Sheila.
I know, right? What the heck? Thank you, Facebook.
Hello from Ben and Kate. Hi, Kate.
Ken,
Ben and Kate.
Ben and Kate show. Looks like I heard something fall.
I think you already glued the owl in, right?
Yes, the owl's already glued in. Poinsettia's already glued in. Look. I don't think I want to add these, but I just want to look. Because I've done this before, and I like the way it looked. Flip it around and show you. I have not glued or attached the ornaments that are in there, but what do you think about adding them?
You guys like the ornaments in there? Judy said, the sign just says peace. That's all it says.
Mm-hmm.
And then Judy said, awesome. I really like, I hope to get that someday.
What do you guys think? Bowls, yes?
You like it with the ornaments in there?
In or out?
They're kind of like white with silver snowflakes, and then there's some silver ones in there.
Yeah, see, it's like a snow.
Susan said yes. Caitlin said she likes it. Charlene said very pretty.
Okay. So all I'm gonna do
Carol
is.
said ornaments, nice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go like overly crazy. I was trying to keep them kind of toned down. So.
Kind of tuck them in.
Yeah, I am.
Everybody said in, said yes. Susan
Okay.
said in, Martha said yes.
And then we'll be done, believe it or not. So I'm just leaving the little cap on, but I took the ornament hanger off. Then I'm tucking them in there pretty good. So that you can still see the design on the ornament, because these ones have little snowflakes. So it definitely plays to that whole winter thing.
Mm-hmm.
This one in here, so you can never just pull them off.
Yep. Yes, I love how the colors work together.
Okay, last one. I'm just gonna tuck it in here. Okay, let me find my glue. Like, I can see them, but it, like I said, it's easier if you just take the blow dryer and just blow dry it.
Mm-hmm.
Then all the little spider web pieces all kind of. What do you guys think? Did it turn out okay? And I'm like looking, there's nothing here.
Guess how the colors work all together.
Okay, let me show you what it looks like. So I'll show you what it looks like on the door. Now I can really see the little things right here. Okay.
Kathy said beautiful. I just said it looks so stunning. Martha said fabulous, beautiful. Thanks, gals.
Go back up there. There we go. So there we go.
Hi, Gail.
Okay. What do you guys think? Good? Wow, I feel like I'm way off.
Yeah. I can only zoom in so much, but
I know. Well, I tried to show it to you while I had it up, but show it to you on the door because this is a full-size door, so it'll show you about size-wise
yeah.
what it'll look like on your door. Because here it looks very small. here, it's like, oh, it just barely fit on the mat, but no.
Yep.
So that's how you take your ordinary $4.99 evergreen base and a few different picks. You guys saw I just bought like 3 picks from Michael's, broke them all apart, added all the colors to it, couple poinsettias, add your bow, couple ornaments, and then you're good.
Yep. Helen said, I wish I could make a bow like that. I had my pro bow and used it once last year. Just have to practice.
Yeah, just keep practicing, because you're not, aside from cutting it when you're making your tails, you can always undo the wire and just reassemble it and redo it and make sure you just have your tension on your wire. But just have thicker wire. You know, if it's a matter of not being able to tighten it tight because the wire's really thin, it's hard, just buy a thicker wire and do it that way. But yeah, it's all done.
Yay.
So this one's in the hole. So this is what we call a transitional wreath. This can be put up for Christmas. It can be left up all the way through Christmas, all the way through January, all the way going into those first moments of February. It depends on if the person's going to put up a, what do you call it, a Valentine's Day wreath. They may or may not, but most people generally don't. So this one can stay up for quite a while. So it makes it a cost-effective wreath. So rather than buying a Christmas and a winter wreath, they can just buy the one. And then if they want, they can change out the sign and just have it, instead of it saying peace, they can have it say, you know, Merry Christmas or Believe or whatever else
Helen
you want to say.
said she has trouble with the wire. She used 26 gauge. Yeah, you got to use a heavier gauge wire when you do the
24
whatever.
is really good.
22 to 24. Yep.
Yeah. And you can't use the pipe cleaners because they won't go long enough to fit in there. But it was just enough for me to pull this sign and attach the sign to the wreath.
Yep.
But everything's done. Everything's glued. So cool.
Yep.
All right. Private group. What are we doing on Sunday? I don't know yet. I don't know what we're doing. We might do. We're trying to transition out of the whole Christmas thing, because I think once we start getting into the 14th, we really need to be making whatever seasonal wreath comes next. So I think you're going to start to see more welcome wreaths, general all-purpose wreaths, things that will sell year-round. So you're not just stocking your store, having this stuff sit in your inventory for a long period of time. Start making whatever else you need. Okay. So I will let you guys go. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment here. If you're interested in my private group, send me a message. I'll send you the link and we'll get you all signed up. And that's pretty much it. So have a great weekend, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.